way to boost sales is through video. And Sales Video AI, you can do just that. You can create videos from simple AI text prompts, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby, and I'll be taking you through Sales Video AI and all that it has to offer you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you are presented on your home page. On the home page, you can see a little video that explains multiple things about Sales Video AI. Then you can see the support, and you can also see the other add-ons that are available for you. You can take a look at the products that are available to you. And under the products, we can specifically see Sales Video AI Enterprise. This is the product that we'll be using. We can also see other add-ons available to us, like the Go Viral add-on, which if we use it, we can use it to enhance our video. It helps to create content that we can use to go viral on any social media platform. So you follow the simple instructions, you upload your video on a WeTransfer space, you copy the link, confirm the link, and when it's done, they'll give you back your video already made to go viral. You can also take a look at the other add-ons that are available for you. Add-ons like your Motivational Reels Creator, the commercial license, and ready to go video packs. And also, you can take a look at training. And on training, you can see videos to watch to explain Sales Video AI even the more for you. And so we'll be going straight into our product area where we can see Sales Video AI Enterprise. When we enter, you can see straight up our text-to-video platform. You can see the Motivational Reels Creator, you can see the 3D pop-out videos, you can see our call to action animations, you can take a look at our commercial license. When we look at my videos, we'll see the videos we've previously created, and we can also make changes to those videos. We can choose to download them, we can choose to edit them, or we can choose to delete them. These are where the videos will be stored after you're done creating them. So we'll create one video from text. So you can see what type of video do we want to create. We will create a video about how a child celebrates their birthday party and all the gifts they got. Then we can see specific voiceover scripts. We can see suggested keywords to find a video relating to that script. When we're satisfied with the voiceover script or the suggested keywords, we can simply add a specific TikTok accent or any other type of accent we want to add. You can choose the voice assistant. You can choose to listen to it.
Hi, welcome to Sales Video AI.
And if we're satisfied, you can choose background music. You can either pick from Sales Video AI or you can upload our own background music. When we're satisfied, you can just add it. We can include specific subtitle setting. We can add our logo. You can choose to add a watermark text over the video. And if we're satisfied with all that, we simply submit. There could be times when specific video or keywords may not match or may not be found by Sales Video AI. You'll be given a prompt that it was not found, and you simply have to edit the prompt and choose another video. When you're done, all you have to do is to wait for it to process, and you receive an email when the video is done processing. Take a look at Motivational Reels Creator, and it's more or less the same process. You just have to include the content for your video, make sure that all the changes and all the specific things are added, and you receive your video through your email, and you can come back to Sales Video AI to download that video. So you can check our Motivational Reels Creator. You can say create a motivational video about never giving up. And it's the same process. You can see voiceover scripts, the suggested keywords, voiceover script suggested keywords. You can choose to add our own video. You can choose the voiceover. You can choose the voice assistant. You can choose the tone. You can choose an inspirational music or any type of music we want to. We can choose the subtitle settings. You can include our logo in the outro. And we can click on submit. You can take a look at 3D pop-out videos, which is also the similar arrangement where we can choose to create for Instagram or for Facebook. For creating for Instagram, you can see the video preview as we include content here. You can see make video ad friendly, and for TikTok. So when we select that, you can include a keyword. Let's include a video keyword. You can search. When we're satisfied with one of our videos, you can select that video. You can see the video preview. You can add more content to it. When we're satisfied, you click on next. You can choose to add animation to our videos. You can pick animation from different movies to the video. You can pick animal, celebration, and a lot more. So you can choose this one. When we're satisfied, you can click on next. You can choose to include animation, sound effect or not. You can add music to our video. I can include a watermark on our video. Let's include this music. When we're satisfied, simply click on submit video. Next, take a look at our call to action animation. We can choose and drop our main video here. We can include a header GIF. We can take a look at our drop footer and include it here. Add music. Add an optional watermark, and we submit. When we're done, we can take a look at our commercial license. When we're done with creating all our videos, as previously mentioned, the videos will be stored in the My Videos category. So we can see these two videos are already processing. This video, we'll need to finish processing our previous videos before we can take a look at this video. Or we can watch a previous video that's already been created. We simply download the video, and once it's done, we can open the video and watch it.
As he steps into his world of automotive wonders.
As you can see, I included a watermark on the video. This video was completely created by AI. I only put the specific parameters for this video to be created. From the voiceover to the text to the caption, subtitles, all created by AI. And you can see that's the first one. Let's take a look at this.
To a healthy routine. Surround yourself
Similar
with positivity.
setup.
Work in environments that challenge you to grow. Maintain a clear vision. Set measurable goals to reach new heights. Tackle obstacles head on. Persevere through challenges like a climber conquers peaks. Embrace each day with passion.
And the last one that we've previously created, a 3D pop-out video. So you can see that's the idea of a 3D pop-out video. As you can see, Sales Video AI makes beautiful and stunning videos for you. A link to Sales Video AI is in the description of this video. You're welcome to receive other questions you may have or clarifications you might need when using Sales Video AI. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. See you in the next one. Goodbye.